How to hide your Instagram post from someone. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your Instagram post from somebody, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So now we need to go into our Instagram app, and let's say that I want to hide this specific post from somebody. Then actually there's no way to click on one single button and now it will be hidden from somebody. But what you can do instead is to go back to your profile, and now we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner basically to start off with, and now click on settings. Perfectly, in here we need to click where it says privacy, and the first setting in here called private account, we need to enable that setting. And then click where it says switch to private. Perfectly. Basically what actually happens right now is that if somebody that does not follow my Instagram account and they go into my Instagram page, then they will not be able to see any of my posts, including this one right here. So that is one way you can actually hide it from somebody. But another way you can do it, if you want to hide it from a specific user on Instagram, like one specific user or maybe two or three, what you can do is to actually I'm going to find that user right now. So let's say that I want to hide this user from my account so that the user will not be able to see my post. What I can do is to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then I can click where it says restrict. Basically, as you can see, I'm going to just dismiss this. Perfectly. What you can see is that this account is actually restricted right now. So if this account will try to go into my profile and view my post, they will not be able to do so because I have now restricted that account. I have not blocked that account, which you can also block a specific account if you want to, but it's actually better to restrict them because they will not know that you blocked them. It's like a softer way to block somebody basically. That's like a good explanation, I think. So that is exactly how you can do it actually. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.